In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the mouse cursor size on macOS. First, go ahead and open System Settings. From there, navigate to Accessibility, and then click on Display. Now, scroll down until you see the Pointer section. Right here, you'll find the pointer size slider. This is where you can adjust everything. Simply drag the slider to the right to make the cursor larger, or to the left to make it smaller. Just find the size that works best for you. Beyond just the size, you also have two cool customization options: Pointer Outline Color and Pointer Fill Color. By default, the outline is white, but you can change it to any color you want to match your setup. You can do the same for the fill color inside the pointer. If you ever want to go back to the default look, just click Reset Colors. Thanks for watching.